18 years ago, a toaster was hacked. And then, not much happened. But now, get ready for an exciting new chapter. Hack the Mountain. Join me as we embark on an adventure to breathe new life into a neglected hillside cabin retreat. On this journey, we'll dive into everything from clearing brush and chopping wood, to safely burning piles, and creating trails. We'll also work on building an off-grid cabin and outhouse, starting a small farm from scratch, raising chickens, and handling repairs. We'll even cover projects involving plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and even revamping old golf carts. This area, once home to a lush forest of evergreens, was devastated by the California bark beetle. While the landscape has transformed over the years, signs of regrowth are everywhere. Together, we'll restore this place, one project at a time. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more adventures coming soon.